You open your refrigerator door, and a $300 motherboard just decided it doesn't recognize its own compressor. The ice maker hasn't worked in months. And now, that glossy touchscreen, the one you paid an extra $1,000 for, is stuck on a software update loop that will never finish. This is not a defect. This is a design decision. And somewhere in a repair shop filled with dead appliances, a mechanic with 40 years of grease under his nails keeps a short list of machines he trusts to outlive him. Smart fridges are not on that list. Here is the truth the appliance industry does not want you to hear. A refrigerator's only job is to move heat from the inside to the outside. That is a solved problem. It was solved in the 1950s. But you cannot charge $3,000 for a solved problem. So they added a computer, a Wi-Fi card, a camera that tracks your groceries. And suddenly, your fridge has more processing power than the spacecraft that landed on the moon. It also has the lifespan of a budget laptop. The engineering failure is almost elegant. Most smart fridges use a single control board to manage everything: compressor, fans, defrost timer, and that useless touchscreen. When that board fails, which it will, the entire machine becomes a 400-pound sculpture of spoiled milk. A capacitor blows, a solder joint cracks, a software update corrupts. And the repair? If you can find the board, it costs nearly as much as a new fridge. That is not accidental. That is the business model. You are not buying a product, you are buying a replacement cycle. Then there's the compressor. The so-called inverter linear compressor, pushed hard by two Korean giants, was supposed to be revolutionary. Instead, it has become one of the most failure-prone components in modern home appliances. It runs on variable speed logic controlled by, you guessed it, that same fragile motherboard. When the compressor fails, and it often does within 5 years, there is no simple fix, no relay to swap, no start capacitor to test. Just a sealed system that costs more to open than the fridge is worth. Compare that to the old mechanical refrigerators. Those beasts used a simple reciprocating compressor, a mechanical thermostat, and a defrost timer you could replace for $20. People threw them out not because they broke, but because the avocado green finish went out of style. Many of those machines are still running in garages and basements today. Here is the part that will make you angry. The features that sell smart fridges are the same features that kill them. The through-door ice maker? It adds over a dozen extra failure points: a water valve, a fill tube, an auger motor, a flap that never seals. The touchscreen? It generates heat. Heat is the enemy of electronics inside an insulated box. The Wi-Fi module? It draws standby power and cooks itself slowly over time. And when any one of these systems fails, the fridge often shuts down entirely. Not because it has to, because the software was written to stop everything if a sensor reports an error. This is engineered failure, planned and executed with precision. So, what does the mechanic's forever list actually include? A basic top freezer refrigerator with a mechanical thermostat and a fixed-speed compressor. No ice maker through the door, no screen, no Wi-Fi. Brands like a basic Whirlpool, a stripped-down GE, or even a commercial unit designed for a restaurant kitchen. These machines are boring. They are inefficient by modern standards, but they will run for 20 years without asking for a software update. And when something does break, a thermostat, a defrost heater, a door gasket, you can fix it with basic tools and a 10-minute YouTube video. Next time you walk into an appliance store, look for the cheapest, dumbest refrigerator on the floor. The one without the glass front, without the camera, without the screen that displays your calendar. That machine is the industry's worst nightmare because it's the one you'll never replace. And that's exactly why they try so hard to convince you not to buy it. You've been sold a lie wrapped in a touchscreen. Stop buying smart fridges. Start buying what actually works. Your future self and your wallet will thank you when you're not throwing away a $3,000 paperweight after 41 months.